Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to Heidi's home. Today I went on a bus with my husband and we went grocery shopping, and I can tell you guys that getting all of this stuff on the bus is an amazing challenge, but you know what, we do it. So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased today. This will actually probably be, I would say, one of the bigger grocery trips of the month. I usually hit it pretty hard. You're going to see multiples of some things. So if I notice that I'm running out of things in my pantry that are non-perishable that we do use a lot, I will buy extras. And they did have a sale on a couple things, and I went ahead and I just stocked up. If you guys are not familiar with me and my husband, we're both visually impaired. He's blind, I'm legally blind, so we depend on the bus to get us to and from the grocery store. And so we have to also have a little bit of a stock up, because it's not like I can just jump into my car and go get it if I'm out. So a lot of planning and detailing goes into our meal situation here in this house. So I'm going to show you guys what we bought. I think I got some pretty good stuff, and I think we're definitely going to be eating good. So on the meat side of things, I got this family pack of chicken drumsticks. I do want to tell you that groceries are outrageously priced, but I will tell you that being who we are and being a family that has to ride a bus and pay for our transportation, etc., you may see that I may pay a little extra than maybe what I would if I would get it somewhere else on sale or what have you. But time I went through the trouble of paying for the bus route and all of that, it wouldn't, you know what I mean? It wouldn't pan out. So I just buy what I need. So I've got the chicken legs. I've got pork chops. We love our pork chops, and we have been on a shake and bake thing. Do you guys remember shake and bake? You can still get it. We've been doing shake and bake pork chops, and we love them. We're just like crazy about them. I'm like, I feel like a kid again eating shake and bake pork chops. So we got some hamburger meat. This I cut up into meals and package it in freezer bags, and then this lasts us for a while. Then I got a whole chicken because I'm going to bake this in the oven, and I'm going to make a chicken salad. You guys know I love my chicken salad. I got my husband loving chicken salad. And yeah, so we got some good chicken there to bake up. Got a thing of bananas. I don't think I've ever had one single grocery haul where I don't have bananas. I'm the only one in this house that will eat the bananas, but I eat them because they're very good for you and I love them. So I did stock up on some jellos and some puddings. So we like this orange. Ronnie likes me to put a can of crushed pineapple in with this and just make a big thing to eat on for the week, like as a dessert. We got some vanilla pudding. And I also got some strawberry because I'm going to be making my strawberry cream salad for this weekend. And that is all that we have there. I stocked up on the taco seasonings because we eat a lot of Mexican food in this house. We love our tacos. So whenever I go to Aldi, I always stock up on whatever I'm running low on as far as those kinds of seasonings. And I really get good value. We love these. We bought these. We have a trip coming up. We bought these to take with us. We actually ate some in another bag while we were waiting for the bus today. We love these. Now, you can get it in a beef, but we don't like them as much as the turkey. The beef, to me, are very, very soft, and these are a little bit harder and more substantial to eat. We love them. Danny, our friend, got us into eating these, and they are really, really good. So now every time I go to Aldi, you'll probably see that in my grocery haul because we love them. Hopefully we can hang on to those till our trip, or otherwise we'll probably be breaking into them and eating them sooner than later. Stocked up on some Vienna sausages. Not everybody's a fan of those kinds of things, but we love them. Some sliced mushrooms in a can. Got a couple of those. Some black olives. I put that in my egg salad as well as my macaroni salad. Bought some cans of tuna. So we got a stack of those there. Here's my other black olive. The thing they had on sale today was the Luncheon Meat. This is their brand of Spam. This is not everybody's preference to eat, but we actually like it. I like it if it's thinly sliced and fried to where it's really, really crispy. And then I like it with eggs for breakfast. It is really good. You could eat it for lunch too if you wanted to with cheese. But anyways, they were on sale for $1.99 a can, which to me is still outrageous because if you guys remember back in the day, I feel really old when I say that, but this kind of thing was the cheap stuff. Not anymore. Not anymore. Stocked up on active dry yeast. I keep it in my freezer. Also got the pork and beans. Got a couple of these because I'm going to be making some baked beans. We're going to have barbecue. And so I'm going to make some of my baked beans. I'm trying to make sure my packages don't slide off the table. 2 things of pink salmon. I owe my girlfriend some salmon cakes because she did me a favor. I got some chipotle peppers for my ribs I'm going to be making. Also got some sauerkraut here. We love the Aldi Sauerkraut in a glass jar. It is so delicious. So if you like sauerkraut, I highly recommend this one. Got some evaporated milk. A thing of non-stick cooking spray. An extra creamy peanut butter. I just broke into the last jar that I had, and so I just went ahead and bought one. We've got some tomato and basil and garlic spaghetti sauce. We got 2 of those. Then I got my husband. I'm not a big fan of these kinds of dips. I don't ever eat them because I don't really like them, but he does, and this is the Con Queso brand cheese dip. We also got salsa. I'm a salsa girl. I will eat the salsa. We also got some orange marmalade every day for breakfast. I have been having 2 slices of toast with a little peanut butter and some jam. I'm almost out of jam, so I opted for this. It sounded really good, and I think I will enjoy that in the morning. Let's see what we got here. I already showed you that. Okay, so now we've got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Got a thing of breadcrumbs. This is vegetable oil. Let's see what else. Okay, so I got some onions, some broccoli, because I'm going to be making a broccoli casserole. There is a TikTok video for a broccoli, actually it's for a chicken broccoli and cheese casserole. I leave the chicken out and just make the variation without the chicken, and we love it. So if I remember in videoing it, I will share it with you and show you guys how I make it. It's so easy. But it is very, very tasty. It's got good flavor. It's delicious. Okay, so I got some yellow mustard to stock up on. 2 things of mayonnaise to stock up on. We've got some pork sausage, a thing of applesauce. My husband doesn't like it, but I do. We got some pepper jack cheese, which is one of my all-time favorites and is very hard to stay out of. 2 things of ham lunch meat, a thing of hash browns, 2 things of, this is breakfast biscuits. We have 2 things of plain cream cheese, and then we have the onion and chive cream cheese for my husband. He likes to put it on crackers. We've got cottage cheese, sour cream, and Cool Whip, 2 things of butter, some grapes back there. We've got a 10-pound bag of Russet, Idaho potatoes. See, I told you guys we bought a lot. These was on sale, and I really, really needed a pair. These are like heavy work gloves, like garden gloves. I really wanted something substantial to pick up things in my yard to clean it up. They were on sale for $2.99 today, and I thought I would get some great use out of that. We've got some whole mushrooms. I got some Gain pods today. I was out of floor cleaner. I got some Fabuloso. This isn't really my first choice in floor cleaner, but I went ahead and bought it because it's all they had. So, and I need to be able to clean my floors, obviously. Got some Unstoppables. Again, Probably could buy these a little more economically, but definitely love these. And the only time I really use these, I will tell you, I don't really use them for our clothes, but I use them for our bedding. And I also use them for our towels so that they smell really, really good. And I like to wash our guest bed with these because I think, in my opinion, you know that you're getting into a nice clean bed. They had these on sale. I felt them today and they are super, super soft. I'm not sure if they're going to even fit my bed, but they do say that they will fit a mattress 16 inches, over 16 inches wide, you know, like in depth. I've got one of those real thick mattresses. This was only $17 today. I really thought it was a good deal. They're very soft, so I'm hoping they fit. If they don't, I will take them back because I have the receipt and I will, you know, return them. Let's see what I haven't showed you over here. We've got 4 things of chicken rice. We've got a thing of club crackers, white cake mix, taco shells, frozen strawberries, some milk, and I lost one of my loaves of bread down yonder. We got 2 loaves of honey wheat bread right here, and a thing of tortillas, yeah. There was something else that was on here. Oh yeah, I got this to try. This was on sale as well. It's a 3-in-1 fan. I'm getting ready to take a trip. Like I said, I don't know if I'm actually going to need this on the trip, but I know that I'll use that futurely anyways. But yes, that is all that I bought. Generally, I do buy some frozen stuff, and I do have these igloo bags that makes traveling on the bus super, super simple and easier. But I don't buy a lot of ice cream unless I do have somebody to drive me to the store and back home, because otherwise we would not get home with it. It would be a runny mess. So, but right now I have a freezer full of ice cream right now. So we're doing good on that. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what I bought. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button that you liked this video. Leave me a comment down below if you have seen any new items at Aldi's that you are buying, and just leave me a hello. I read them all to my husband, and we just enjoy the comments. Just tell me what you guys are doing in the hot weather, and did you have a nice 4th of July? Whatever you want to tell me, you just tell me, and I will read them, and I appreciate your comments. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Thanks so much for watching, and have a blessed week. Bye, guys.